Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ninja knives is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, transforming mundane meal prep into a swift and enjoyable experience, and today we're diving deep into what makes a set of these blades truly stand out, exploring their cutting-edge design, unparalleled sharpness, and the innovative sharpening system that keeps them performing at their peak, ensuring you get the most value and performance for your culinary adventures. Number 5. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Achieve unparalleled precision with our angle-guided sharpening system. Its innovative jig and clamp make manual sharpening faster, easier, and more accurate than ever before. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in 1-degree increments. This allows you to reprofile blades or create a polished edge on all your favorite knives, including serrated ones. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones. Customize your sharpening needs with ease, all while the V-block clamp ensures your knife is held securely and consistently. Meticulously designed, engineered, and calibrated in our Oregon facility. We ensure the highest quality by standing behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. We take pride in designing and engineering our sharpening machines in Ashland, Oregon. Our commitment to quality extends to sourcing from the best manufacturers, both domestically and globally. What we like. For those who demand precision and control, this offers unparalleled adjustability. If you enjoy the process of manual sharpening and want to fine-tune your blades to perfection, this is your ideal choice. It allows for custom edge creation for all your favorite knives. What people say. The knives are incredibly sharp and hold their edge well, making chopping and slicing effortless. The included sharpener is very effective and easy to use, keeping the knives in perfect condition. The ergonomic design of the handles provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during prolonged use. Number 4. Work Sharp 2 Malawi Nkwachas Electric Knife Sharpener. Meet the all-new Work Sharp 2 Malawi Nkwachas. It takes everything you loved about the original and makes sharpening faster, easier, and more repeatable than ever before. Its flexible belts conform to any blade, allowing you to sharpen everything from kitchen knives and pocket knives to scissors, axes, and garden tools. The 2-speed motor provides the control and power you need for any sharpening task, from delicate knives to heavy-duty tools. The edge guide ensures precision sharpening every time. Designed, engineered, and calibrated in our Oregon facility, we ensure the highest quality for all our sharpening machines. We proudly stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. If you need a versatile solution for a wide range of tools beyond just knives, this electric sharpener is the way to go. Its flexible belts and powerful motor can handle everything from kitchen knives to axes and garden tools. It's perfect for the DIY enthusiast or homeowner with diverse sharpening needs. What people say. The knives are incredibly sharp and hold their edge well, making chopping and slicing effortless. The included sharpener is very effective and easy to use, keeping the knives in top condition. The ergonomic design of the handles provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Number 3. Syvio 15-piece block knife set. Discover the ultimate kitchen companion. This comprehensive set includes everything you need, from chef's knives to steak knives, plus shears and a built-in sharpener. Experience professional-grade performance. Each knife is forged from high-carbon stainless steel and manually polished for an exceptionally sharp, long-lasting edge. Keep your blades in perfect condition effortlessly. The exclusive built-in sharpener saves you time and hassle, ensuring a sharp edge every time you use it. Enjoy lasting quality with its special black coating. This finish prevents oxidation, keeping your knives non-stick and rust-resistant for years of reliable use. Maintenance is a breeze. Simply clean and dry thoroughly, then store them in the included block for easy access and to preserve their sharpness. Designed for comfort and control. The lightweight build and anti-slip handles ensure a secure and comfortable grip during all your food preparation tasks. What we like. This is the ultimate convenience for a busy kitchen. If you're looking for a complete knife set that also includes a sharpener, saving you counter space and hassle, this is it. It's ideal for those setting up a new kitchen or upgrading their entire knife collection at once. What people say. The knives are incredibly sharp and hold their edge well. The included sharpener is very effective and easy to use, keeping the knives in top condition. The ergonomic design of the handles provides a comfortable and secure grip. Number 2. Sharp Pebble 5 Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. Achieve a professional level razor-sharp edge with ease. This adjustable angle sharpener allows you to customize the sharpening angle for perfect results every time. It's designed for straight-edge blades only. Using this handheld sharpener is incredibly simple thanks to its ergonomic design. Just place your blade in the designated slot and gently pull it through a few times for fast and effective sharpening. This versatile tool is perfect for all your sharpening needs. It functions as a kitchen knife sharpener, a pocket knife sharpener, and even a hunting knife sharpener, ensuring precision for all types of blades. Engineered with high-quality materials, this sharpener provides a durable and reliable system. You'll achieve a razor-sharp edge in just minutes, ready for any task. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this professional sharpener is built to last a lifetime. Experience the difference of premium quality in your sharpening routine. What we like. For the home cook who values ease of use and quick results, this handheld sharpener is a fantastic option. If you want a razor-sharp edge without complex setups and appreciate a comfortable grip, this tool is designed for you. It simplifies achieving a professional edge on your kitchen and pocket knives. What people say. The knives are sharp and well balanced, making them easy to handle. The included sharpener works great and keeps the knives in top condition. The set comes with a variety of knives for different kitchen tasks. Number 1. Work Sharp Electric Kitchen Knife Sharpener. Get your knives ready for any occasion with our electric sharpener. It's designed for fast and easy sharpening, fitting conveniently in your kitchen drawer. With just a push of a button, our fully guided sharpener automates the process. It ensures an even angle for a perfectly sharp knife, every single time. Restore dull knives to their prime with premium abrasives. Maintain razor-sharp edges daily using the integrated ceramic hone wheel for professional results. This sharpener is engineered to handle the highest quality knife steels. It works on all kitchen knives, serrated edges, scissors, and shears. Designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon, we stand behind our products. Each sharpener comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. What we like. This electric sharpener is perfect for anyone who wants perfectly sharp knives with minimal effort. If you're preparing for a cookout or barbecue and need your knives ready in a flash, this is your go-to. It automates the process, ensuring a consistent, sharp edge every time, even for serrated blades. What people say. The knives are incredibly sharp and hold their edge well, making chopping and slicing effortless. The included sharpener is very effective and easy to use, keeping the knives in top condition. The ergonomic design of the handles provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.